This is our high-quality automated ultrasonic food cutting machine, which can cut round and rectangular food products. This machine is equipped with a digital ultrasonic system with the titanium cutter. The cutting depth, number of cuts, and cutting distance can be adjusted according to the production requirements. The ultrasonic food cutter is also equipped with safety grating, and has automatic cleaning and ultraviolet sterilization functions. One button to start. Equidistant cutting. Automatic steering. Safe and efficient. Here we can see, the cutting surface of the food is smooth and neat. Any questions, feel free to contact us.